Hi friends, do you want to become a data analyst and build a career with exceptional CTC? Then this is the only data analyst course you really need now at this high time. In this complete data analyst course, I'm going to teach you everything from SQL to Power BI to Python to advanced Excel, Fabric Analytics and PL 300 certification. In this entire data analyst course, more importantly, we have three real-time projects we need to build. That should be fine for your resume. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or a query switcher, this is the correct course for you. Let's understand more details about why, how, and where to become a data analyst. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. For 2 decades of love, dedication on data stack, I am here to provide you the complete practical approach to the actual data analysis activities you do at your job desk. You do in real world. With all my experience for last 2 decades across various companies, I put forward all my experience, my expertise into carefully aligned course curriculum for you to have the practical touch with industry-based projects. Let's get into more details of this actual data analyst course. Data analytics is a process of analyzing data to provide meaningful insights for better business decisions. Very easy, simple, straightforward, and always high in demand, especially in the recent past. Now, let's understand what we need to do as a data analyst. Remember, as a data analyst, we need to read the data from various sources like files, websites, social media, apps, etc. and perform big data analytics, add color to your data. And this particular data analyst job role has tremendous market, high demand, attractive packages, and every industry needs data analysts now. And the real, actual, realistic knowledge is what you need to face your interview, especially face-to-face interviews, very confidently. In my data analyst training classes, I teach you total of 6 modules, a 3 months extensive training program. I'll start with Microsoft SQL first. Queries, query writing, query design, and query tuning. After that, I'll slowly teach you module 2 Power BI with big data analytics and AI components. Then we go for real-time project. That's not enough. We need to also learn Python analytics, advanced Excel, and second real-time project. So by default, we have 2 real-time projects. You want one more, especially for experienced professionals. I have that bonus project for you, the third project. So to become a true data analyst, we need to learn how to understand the data, how to read, format the data, how to mash up the data, how to report, how to present very carefully. Everything in a single course, my data analyst training program. I teach you everything step by step. I care your actual required key skills for your job and your resume for your develop activities. I care about your job core responsibilities, everything included in this particular course, including resume guidance, mock interviews, certification guidance. There is one certification called PL 300. So everything part of this course slowly step by step. What more you need? Yes, trust me. Things are very simple, straightforward. At the same time, they need effort. We need to do both hard work as well as smart work to make it happen. Need your support. Just make sure we are able to get into every concept carefully. Either you join my live training or self-paced videos, same care, same content, same examples, and same project solutions. I teach you everything slowly, step by step, including the certification for data analyst called PL300. It is the official Microsoft certification. I am going to teach you complete guidance I'm going to give you complete guidance for the certification as well. Now, what next? Let's connect once. You can call me directly or you can also reach me through website. We have multiple capstone projects and real-time projects in this course. We are going to learn step by step everything carefully so that our subject is safe and subjective understanding is very qualitative. We need it. The time has come. Let's make sure we are ready to face the real world job work easily, at the same time very in an interesting way. I'll make the classes interesting for you. Yes, let's connect once for a live demo class. And you can also contact me through WhatsApp or through website. Let's understand each other. Let me understand your profile. Let's get connected for a demo class and then we'll proceed from there. Either live online or self-paced videos, same content, same care, same examples. Meet you soon for my classes. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.